What are the biggest pros for cloud? It is pay as you go, use, build as you grow. You can increase when your organization grows. For the same reason, if you come down, you can reduce the usage also. It needs very low IT execution ability. This was covered by Shashi also. Biggest challenge that SMEs face is to have the experts who can build the solution and maintain it for you. So this takes out that particular risk from the whole thing. Deployment is faster. Normal ERP deployments can take anywhere between 6 months to 2 years, 3 years. We have been able to achieve deployments in less than 90 days. Accountability. Having a trusted partner, you can rest assured there is accountability for the whole business practices that we are building in it, and the global reach. As a customer, as well as a vendor, both of us can achieve global reach by using cloud. Biggest challenge is data privacy, confidentiality, and security. The only way to address that is to ensure that you have tie up with the right service providers, which are hosting this on a private cloud. It should never be a public cloud. Yeah? How long is data retained? We retain it forever. Other service providers may not retain it forever. They will say, we will give you 3 years, 5 years of data. Afterwards, you have to take it off. And then what are the termination and usable data clauses? There are many guys who will say, once you sign up, you have to be there with us for 5 years, so that you are stuck with him for 5 years. And many people basically will say, this part of your data is usable by the service provider. I will have a look at your customer details, blah, blah, blah. So please read the fine print that says which part of the data are they going to access, which part of the data they will give you in writing that they will not access. Integration with on-premise systems is very difficult on cloud, and customizing applications beyond a point is very tough on cloud.